Crash course on United Kingdom, UK, city guides and hidden gems. Welcome to a crash course on the United Kingdom's diverse cities and hidden gems. Beyond the famous landmarks, the UK is home to charming towns, picturesque villages, and lesser-known destinations waiting to be explored. Let's uncover some interesting stories and examples that will ignite your excitement for these hidden gems. 1. Bath. Known for its Roman-built baths and stunning Georgian architecture, Bath is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Immerse yourself in the city's rich history and indulge in the natural thermal waters of the Thermae Bath Spa. 2. St. Ives. This picturesque coastal town in Cornwall has attracted artists for centuries with its stunning landscapes and vibrant art scene. Explore the narrow streets lined with art galleries, enjoy the pristine beaches, and soak in the artistic inspiration. 3. York. With its medieval charm, York offers a journey back in time. Walk along the ancient city walls, visit the iconic York Minster, and get lost in the historic Shambles, a narrow street lined with timber-framed buildings. Now, let's delve into the top 12 attractions that showcase the UK's city guides and hidden gems. 1. Bath, England. 2. St. Ives, England. 3. York, England. 4. Edinburgh, Scotland. 5. Oxford, England. 6. Cambridge, England. 7. Bristol, England. 8. Belfast, Northern Ireland. 9. Canterbury, England. 10. Stratford-upon-Avon, England. 11. Inverness, Scotland. 12. Cardiff, Wales. These destinations offer a mix of history, culture, and captivating experiences. From the ancient streets of York to the vibrant art scene of St. Ives, each city has its own unique charm and hidden gems waiting to be discovered. In summary, the United Kingdom's city guides and hidden gems invite you to venture beyond the well-trodden path and explore the lesser-known treasures. Whether you find yourself captivated by the Roman baths of Bath, inspired by the artistic spirit of St. Ives, or enchanted by the medieval allure of York, the UK's hidden gems promise unforgettable experiences. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 =7989335 It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the United Kingdom's city guides and hidden gems with a poem. In the United Kingdom, a world to explore. From ancient cities to treasures galore. Baths, Roman baths and Georgian grace. St. Ives, an artist's embrace. York's medieval streets, a step back in time. Edinburgh's castles, a majestic climb. Oxford's spires and Cambridge's lore. Bristol's energy, Belfast's folklore. Canterbury's cathedral, a spiritual retreat. Stratford-upon-Avon, where Shakespeare's words meet. Inverness Highlands, a land of enchantment. Cardiff's vibrant spirit, a cultural ascent. The United Kingdom's cities, a tapestry untold. With hidden gems and stories to behold. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.